Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. I'm just going to do a quick update here for Jasmy. So, Jasmy right now is trading at 0.03287. Currently on the weekly time frame, we see the price itself is correcting from that near high for this weekly candle of 0.04752. It's retraced down closer to our 38% of our Fibonacci level and basically trying to find an area of support. So if the price itself is able to hold potentially around the 50% or come up and retest the 50%, then we can see a potential reversal. However, a drop below the 0.032, where the price is kind of dangling right slightly above. If we do close below this, then the price could possibly go to the next area of support, which is roughly around the area of resistance that we saw back in August all the way through November. So again, that may be a area where the price may be able to hold. It all depends on the closing action of the weekly time frame. Going into the daily time frame here, we do see potential stabilizing in the market where we see basically the price consolidate. Now, we do see this hammer candlestick observed from this very bottom trend. However, we saw a few weaknesses in that candlestick that just recently closed here is a bearish candlestick. Normally, after a reversal candlestick, we do essentially want to see some bullish candlesticks or bearish candlesticks with that current trend reversal. So in this case, we ideally wanted to see a green bullish candlestick formation after this hammer candlestick to essentially give us that reversal signal. But because we had a red candlestick here close below the body itself, we most likely are going to consolidate sideways until we can see that immediate reversal on an uptrend or a downtrend itself. Now, going into the immediate time of 4 hours here, we can already see that we are seeing weakness in terms of this downtrend. So, yes, we've seen these huge red candlesticks coming down. We do see the spinning top candlestick observed at the very bottom here. And normally, whenever we see spinning top candlesticks, it shows us that potential weakness of that current trend. In this case, this bearish trend. A few of our indicators as well, we see are the RSI here at 40%. A gain up to 50% may give us some traction for a bullish reversal from this current downtrend. And of course, we do see some momentum kind of slowing down in terms of the bulls. Hence, we may see the price kind of go sideways before this uptrend itself. So, a few bullish scenarios that we could possibly tap into is a close above 0.03524. So, just roughly above our 100% of our Fibonacci level, roughly around the resistance level of these few candles here, observed back on December 19th, going into December 20th. So just yesterday, if we achieve a close, a retest, and a close above this area of resistance, then the price itself is mostly going to come up and retest the next area of our Fibonacci level at 0.03783. Now, that would be more of a bullish scenario if we are able to get a bullish candlestick after this spinning top scenario. I want to say at least if we're doing, an engulfing candlestick where this body of this current candle is engulfing this previous one, I can see a possible retest of 0.034. In terms of the bearish breakdowns, you guys already got it. If we do break below the 100% of our Fibonacci level, then price can come down to these areas of this wick from our downwards channel of 0.027. This may potentially spike a little bit more interest in terms of the bulls itself. And a break below this area here is going to trigger that 0.024. So it is very, very crucial here for Jasmy. Overall, taking a look on the weekly time frame, I mean, if we kind of scroll out here, we can see that we are in the markdown phase, especially after this markup and the accumulation. So essentially what we are waiting for in the next couple of months here is to kind of see that built up accumulation going into this markup distribution and then another markdown. It's essential with all coins itself or crypto markets to kind of go through these four phases. And unfortunately for Jasmy, we are seeing that mark down. But essentially, what we are looking for is higher volumes, higher interest, and most importantly, for the immediate short term, is to hold on to areas of support and retest areas of resistance to be able to see Jasmy kind of spark up once again. But that's my video here for Jasmy. Thank you guys for listening in today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Sorry, there is some stuff that's happening with my laptop at the moment. That's really, really an inconvenience for me. But thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.